Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Corolla oil filter. First, safely lift the car and support it with jack stands placed under the pinch welds. Position an oil catch pan beneath the filter and loosen the drain plug slightly to reduce pressure. Use a filter wrench to grip and turn the old filter counterclockwise, then clean the mounting surface before installing the new filter. Start by draining as much oil as possible to reduce spills when removing the filter. With the drain plug removed, allow oil to drain fully and then reinstall the plug finger tight. Move the catch pan under the filter, then use a filter wrench to break the filter seal and remove it by hand. Inspect the old filter gasket to ensure it did not stick to the engine before proceeding to the next step. Before installing the new filter, dab fresh oil on the rubber gasket to help seal and prevent tearing. Screw the new filter on by hand until the gasket contacts the mounting surface, then tighten it another 3/4 turn for a proper seal. Refill the engine with the correct oil amount, start the car briefly to circulate oil, then check for leaks and verify the oil level with the dipstick, topping up if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.